such a creative
Oh, it's so pretty.
pansy.
All eyes on me.
Yeah! Look at how big this is. Hello everyone, welcome to a brand new vlog. I hope you guys are thriving, succeeding, excelling, just simply living your best life. But I'm so excited to be vlogging for you guys today. I feel such a creative resurgence. I don't know if it's like the summer vibes or something, but I just feel very inspired lately. I know you guys haven't seen my apartment in like a quick second. All right, so the couch situation is still the same. I don't know if you guys have seen the shelves yet. I still haven't found exactly what I'm looking for the shelves. So right now I just have like random stuff on there that I like. This is how it's looking so far. And then over here, I have my record player. And look at this beautiful album Twee gave me that she signed. How beautiful is that? I definitely need to get a album frame for this so I can stick it on a wall or place it somewhere here. This is my little vinyl area. You guys, look at how many Sunny Angels I have acquired recently. I went to Remi's and she went to Korea and Japan, and in Japan she got Sunny Angels for retail price, which is like $6. Over here they sell them for like $22 to $25 depending where you go. And she got us like multiple boxes and surprised us. I'm gonna insert those clips here. Hello everyone, look who's back from Korea!
Look at my shoes.
We're so back.
We're so back. Remi got us a bunch of Sunny Angels because we are Sunny Angel collectors. Cheryl already opened one and we're going to unbox some together. I'm so excited. The silence.
I know.
We're getting serious now.
Okay, it's definitely not rabbit, but that's okay.
What'd you get?
Wait, I'm
Not
scared.
rabbit.
I'm scared, I'm scared, I'm scared.
She's
Wait,
Wait, I got the rabbit too. We're twinning. Okay, let's go, let's go.
Let's go, let's go, let's go. I really
Flower
want the carrot.
series. What is this?
Oh, it's so pretty.
Pansy.
Pansy.
Happy Pride. This is so scary, but I love it so much.
Look at her.
Pear.
There.
This one's cute.
Wait, I love
Moon Juice just sent me this super cute package from their collaboration with Mr. Prada. He created this like cute little brat smoothie that's like inspired by like the new Charlie XCX album. I forgot I was vlogging today, so I already had a few sips of it. I'm not gonna lie and fake a first impressions, but I really like it. It's like a green smoothie with like pineapple. It's pretty flavorful. And they gave me a bunch of goodies and a cute little letter. And if you guys are in the LA area, 20% of the proceeds of the smoothie go to the LA LGBT Center in support of Pride. So we love that. But anyways, let's keep going with the apartment updates. So we are now in my room. Room looks pretty much the same. So basically, I still have my vanity here. Bed, the same. The rug, I still love it. The nightstands, I still haven't gotten a new mirror yet. I actually bought some shelves to put on the walls, so I'm gonna set that up with you guys a little bit later. I'm still reading Iron Flame. I've been off my reading game like violently. I used to read an hour before I go to bed instead of scrolling on my phone, and I've completely fell off that habit. So I need to get back on it and finish Iron Flame so I can move on to Court of Thorns. The summer vibes have already just been immaculate. I feel like I've been going to so many events. I have so many things. Later tonight, I'm going to a Fenty hair event, which I'm so excited about. I went to a gifting suite for the first time ever, and it gave me literally the most giant bag of free stuff. It's a huge bag. Like literally, the bag was ripping as I was taking it home. So I think I need to show you guys what is inside because there's a lot of cool stuff. Scared it's gonna rip. Let me grab it. Guys, look at how big this is. This is insane. All right, I don't even know where to start. I think I'll just go through everything quickly. Everything's gonna be a surprise to me as well. Okay, so we have some dryer balls. Everyone needs that. I actually don't own any dryer balls. We have a 5-piece mini tool set. It looks like little sprinkles, like kitchen tools. This is actually useful. I love when I get giftings that are useful. Let's crack her open. These are really pretty. Decorative dishes. I wonder if they're all different colors. They're all different colors. How pretty. Look at this one. This one is from the brand Open Spaces. I haven't heard of that brand. A 3-piece baking set. I also don't have one of these. And it's like this cute like sprinkle pattern on it. This is from GIR. Also, never heard of this brand before. Super cool. We have something else from Open Spaces. I'm gonna assume this is more home decor. Nesting trays. Oh, this is so cute. Okay. I could put like little jewelry or fragrance in here. We have this green box from Seed. A vaginal symbiotic. I will be putting this to good use. We have a reusable dispenser for detergent. Important. Necessaire body wash. I actually use this brand and I love their body washes, so excited I got it for free. We have some Dew Glow Serum, Deliverance Serum. I've used Dew before and I really like their skincare, so I'm so excited to see some of that in here. So let me speed this up. We got some Poppy, some Dr. Pop. We have some detangling spray. We have some micellar oil cleanser that is definitely gonna be put to use. We have some Dew Instant Angel. We have some skin tint. Never heard of the brand. We have some Vacation Orange Jelly, just like a sunscreen. We have some scalp care. We have more Dew. We have Future Society fragrance. Let's give it a little sniff. I guess this is made out of the DNA of extinct things. This was a flower that went extinct by deforestation. Oh my God. Oh my God, it smells so good. It smells like a beautiful flower. We have some Amica dry shampoo. We have some Future Wise skincare, some nail stickers. Oh my God, I was really excited for this. Muddy Bites. These are the little chocolate that's like at the end of the cone, so you don't have to eat the whole ice cream cone. You can just have the little chocolate tips. If you know me, you know I'm obsessed with that. We have a little wooden comb. All right, y'all. I need to stick on some like command strips to these, but I'm like thinking I could like put them here instead of like here. I don't know. What do you guys think? This can go underneath it. Okay. Well, there we go. Bam. We got a little cup here. Okay. This is what it's looking like so far. I have no idea how to attach like the hooks and stuff, so I'll figure that out later, but so far I like how it's going. I think I want to put Sunny Angels in this like little plastic thing. I think that would look so funny and cute. Hello, you guys. I am in the car now and I am on my way to the Fenty Beauty event. I am so excited. The event had no +1, so I am going to this event alone. It's kind of funny because I think my last vlog I was at a Fenty Beauty event, and then this vlog, another Fenty Beauty event. Whoa, look at this, you guys. She's so real for this. Look at that. Look at that leg. We're in line now, and Rihanna is coming any moment.
I'm the CEO of Kendo Brands.
Great promotion.
The motherfuckers all eyes on me. Alright. That was great, guys, because I'm nervous. I hate doing speeches. But I cannot come here and not address and thank you all for being here. I know you traveled from near, you traveled from far. Thank you for being here for the launch of Fenty. I mean, you guys are going to be, everybody in this room is you're going to be the first people to touch, to feel, and to experience Fenty here. Yeah, everybody online is jealous right now.
You have that Asian glow. I love it.
An Asian glow?
Like a,
You guys, look at this menu. This is extensive.
all the juices come out.
Look, y'all. Some tipping. You guys, look at this.
Did you wean off or did you just kind of
I
like...
kind of just cut it off. Well,
Chopstick.
Oh, thank you, babe.
Look at this corn cheese, you guys. I'm freaking screaming. And this brisket. Look at this tea spiller over here.
I was laughing. I was going to tell Troy and Ollie goes, 1 second.
You guys, I need a ladle for this corn cheese. Whoa.
It's heavy.
Someone crack it. Oh, that was kind of disappointing.
No, it's not.
I barely heard it. Wait, what did you say when you thought there was a ghost? So good.
Tell them.
There's a ghost in here. You're just taking over my vlog.
So good.